Hey dolls, it's your girl Karen and I am back with another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell if you want to see all the videos that Karen posts and you can see them. I guess it don't work. That sounds like an animal though, right? Let's start this over again. Hey dolls, it's your girl Karen and I am back with another video. I'm never going to get this Walmart haul finished, but this outfit is from a Walmart haul. My Walmart haul. Karen, I can never say Walmart. Here we go. This dress is from my Walmart haul. This dress is by No Boundaries and it was only $12.98. They had red, a tan, black, which I had this in black as well. If you watch me on my Walmart, if you watch me on my Walmart haul, when I went to Florida, I bought this in black and I absolutely loved it. So I tried the tan. As I said before, the tan was too close to my, like it was clashing with my complexion. So I really didn't purchase it, but this blue, see, I don't know if you can see it, but this blue was everything. And it was only $12.98. Like you get, at $12.98, you can go and get every color. Like red is not my color. I don't like red, guys. I never buy anything in red. If you see me in red, shoot me down, because I don't like red. Red is just not me. Black looked great on me. Actually, I did like I did an ad, I did a cover for my MsGlamDoll TV, and I had that dress on, and it looked so expensive. Like when I told people I got it from Walmart and I only paid $12.98, they were like dying because it looked expensive. And it's not how much a piece costs, it's how you style it. Like I shop all over. I shop thrift store, which is my favorite. Everybody knows I love a good thrift find. But Walmart has become my favorite. Now I'm gonna start doing Target to me. Target to me is just a little too, it'd be too high sometimes. Like I'll see a dress that I like and it's like $50. I mean, Target, those are the prices. But I said that I'm gonna go ahead. You know, I like a good challenge. So my peoples have been challenging me. Hey, why don't you do Target? Hey, Karen, I don't see a Target haul. Like, oh, you so hung up on Walmart? Would you like to do Target? I would do Target. That's like y'all want it, okay? But they say Target is for bougie people. I'm bougie, but I like Walmart better. I don't know why. Maybe because of prices, because you know, I'm cheap. I'm bougie, but I'm tight with my money, okay? I had to change it to the black ones because I am in the middle of filming. I am doing reels and TikToks all at the same time. So I am changing clothes, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So since I already was changing clothes and I wanted to show you guys what the black one looked like. And the black one just to me looks so much more expensive. I just love black. If you don't know, black is my favorite color. So if you ever want to buy me anything or send me gifts, send me black. But this year, 2022, I promised myself that I would start getting into color. So I'm so far so good. You see, I bought the blue. You see that? Okay. So what we're talking about is concealing and hiding our tummies. Now, I always had a gut. Like I have 2 children and I always just carried a gut. And also I had problems with fibroids. So fibroids made my tummy stick out a lot. Unfortunately, I had to get I had to get my uterus removed because like they were so big and my stomach, it was just a mess. That's maybe something we could get into, ladies. Let's talk about having hysterectomies and these fibroids and I forgot the name of the condition, whatever else I had. I can't remember. Like, child, getting old does not help you at all. Does not help you at all. But we're talking about, I'm getting off the subject now. I hate when I ramble and ram on, and I hate to watch other people that ramble and run on. But now I understand why you do that, because you start talking and then you start getting into something else and then you get way off the subject that you're supposed to be in. We're supposed to be talking about these shirt dresses. So the number one dress that I like that conceals a tummy no matter what size you are. If you skinny, because I was kind of thin with a gut. But that's why I'm so adamant about working out and things now, because of what I used to look like. And I don't know if I have any pictures of that, but I can go back in the vault and see if I have any pictures. If I do, I will add it on to this video to show you that I did have a gut. But I really work hard, guys, to keep my body in shape. But a shirt dress, I'm gonna pop up some pictures and even me wearing it. I love a good shirt dress. This shirt dress is from Zara, and I think I paid like $49 for this. You know, Zara getting kind of pricey now. Like, to me, Zara's always been affordable. This is like a kind of shirt dress. I love this dress. Like, I saw another YouTuber with this dress on watching her TikTok, and I was like, ooh, I got that dress. And I had one where I had a belt on, but I hated it with a belt. I just like it loose, and I'm gonna pop that up on the screen as well. I just like it loose. I just put on like some wedge heels, and like it's so comfortable underneath. Like, if you don't want to wear a bra, you gotta wear a bra. But this is a cute shirt dress. I'm gonna pop some more pictures. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna get into shirt dresses this year because they're so super comfortable. And 2022, Karen is all about being super comfortable. It's about being comfortable and cute, but comfortable. Like, before, I would sacrifice the fashion. I would sacrifice my feet, everything, just to wear the piece. Now you can't pay me to do that. If I do, I come prepared with a slipper, sock, an extra outfit. Like, I'm planning ahead of the game. So it's all about comfortability. So the next dress, guys, is a good wrap dress. I can't tell you how a good wrap dress can conceal your tummy. And to be totally honest, it's not the fact that it hides your tummy or conceals your tummy. It like wraps you around right here, and it kind of like sucks you in, and then a wrap dress it just wraps around all the good parts of your body. So a good wrap dress can conceal your tummy really well. I love it. I got this one for Forever 21. I think I actually picked this up when I was on vacation in Florida when it was cold. It was my husband's birthday, and I had to find an outfit because everything that I wore was like summery, and it was cold as hell down there where we went. So I was just picking up outfits, going to stores, going to places. I did Walmart, of course. We went to Zara, Forever 21, like whatever I could pick up, I picked up. And I just, I just made it do what it do. That's what I do. And I still was fabulous, still was gorgeous. I didn't pay a lot for my items, and I made out good. So the next thing I want to talk about is like a cinched dress. I'm going to show you a little bit of a cinched dress. And I feel like I didn't talk about wrap dress enough. Like, you could pick a wrap dress up anywhere, any store, like a good wrap dress. Like, and then it's also sophisticated. It makes you look classy as well. You can also put a wrap dress, you can put it on with sneakers, you can wear them with a heel, a sandal, you can do so many things with a wrap dresses, but I'm going to talk about the cinched waist dress that conceals your tummy so well because it hugs you here and then it flares out. Let me get a dress so I can show you what a cinched dress looks like. Okay, back now. Excuse my hanger because this just came from the cleaners. My hubby takes my stuff to the cleaners and he picks it up and he don't put it back on the hangers. I don't expect him to, but you know, when his stuff comes out the cleaners, I put his stuff on the hanger. But that's just me. That's what I do. You know, it would be nice if he would do it, especially if he's home and instead of just putting it in my room. The hanger, I don't know. I'm just saying. It would be nice, right? It would be nice, baby. If you're watching it, it would be nice, baby. All right. This is, of course, my favorite color. But this cinches in. And like, I don't want to say baby doll dress because I feel like we're over 40 and we don't want a baby doll dress. But I know that's what they used to call it, but we're mature women now. So it's called a cinched waist dress. Comes up here and it flares out and it hides all that tummy no matter what size you are. And it's all about concealing our tummy. That's what we're trying to do. And this is from Zara. I think I paid $39, $90, $40 for it. And this is one of my favorite dresses, y'all. So cute. And this is definitely cinched. Cinched is here and then baby dolls out. So cute. I love this dress. I think this was $39.90 as well from Zara. And it's like the little puffy sleeves. If you follow me on Instagram, I've worn this dress. And you would have seen it if you follow me on Instagram. So go over. Stop what you're doing right now. Hit the pause button. Go over to Instagram. Go to MsGlamDoll. I'm going to put it on the screen. Go over there and follow me. Right now. You doing it? All right. Pause it and then come back. All right. Did you do it? No, for real. Do it though. I need all the followers I can get, y'all. Okay, a good maxi dress. A good maxi dress hides everything. This is one of my favorites. It's like an A-line maxi dress. It's really long. I'm gonna try it on and I'm going to split screen it so you guys can see on the side what it looks like, how I pair it. You know, it's all about comfortability for me. So that dress is one of the most comfortable dresses I own. I try not to dog it out, but I do love that dress. One of my favorites. And this one is from my own clothing line, which is MsGlamDoll collection. It is a satin maxi. And this is so super cute on as well. I'm gonna try this on as well. I'm gonna side, and it hides all the time. It is so loose and it's comfortable. Like maxi dresses, of course, and you can get a cinched waist maxi dress as well, and that will hide your tummy as well. So I'm going to split between this and this. I have a lot of these. They're for sale. Unfortunately, I do not have a website for my clothing. People have been asking me. So usually you tell me what you want or you can DM me. We go over the sizes and I ship it out to you. If you're near me, you can pick it up. If I have time, I will even deliver it to you. That simple. But I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's MsGlamDoll collection on Instagram. You can DM me if you see anything. I sell everything. Accessories, shoes, dresses, sunglasses. I really got to start getting into the sunnies right now because the weather's changing and people are really getting into it. And I'm really digging this Amazon glasses. It's a girl that I follow and she started rocking these Amazon glasses and they're super cute. So I guess that's it for me. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, be gentle with your comments, guys, because some people, like, especially on, I had did a tape-in video, and that was my absolute first time doing tape-ins, first time. And I was so excited, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube, so, you know, and not only that, you gotta understand this free knowledge. So I could be charging like $1,500 for a class, but I'm spilling it out on YouTube, giving you this free stuff because I don't, you know, I'm gonna make what I'm supposed to make, but I've been supposed to have a class, but I missed my window. I miss my window like I always do. I always be on it and then miss my window. Like, but I just feel like whatever God got for me is gonna be for me. If I'm supposed to be on it, then I'm supposed to be on it. If I'm not supposed to be on it, then I guess I ain't on it. But anyway, yeah, so they really be coming at me in the comments with the tape-ins, like, that look a mess, and woo, child, I can't believe you put this up. And then the one like, oh girl, you doing a mullet, like, because I didn't, like, now when I did my client's hair, she was very thinning, and I was so afraid that the tape-ins were going to show. So I took her whole perimeter, like, go, if you can, go over and look at the video. Like, I took her whole perimeter and, you know, I separated out. So all the hair that was out, I just put, like, basically in the middle, I just put tape-ins in, and then I, like, took it down, I curled it. And, like, she was thinning really bad in the front and the top. And, I mean, it was what it was. And I really, now, I've developed, like, 5 or 6 techniques. So I've really gotten better, and I did that video over a year ago, but y'all really be coming at me in them comments. So, I mean, I know this all comes with the business, but I'm just like a very positive person. I'm just like, please guys, keep it positive. Like, if you don't have anything nice to say, just like give it a thumbs down or something and keep it moving. Like, all that, like, it's not necessary. I don't think it's necessary. So I just wish you would cut it out because it's not cute and it's not grown woman, like, we're all grown women, right? That's what I thought. But anyway, there I go ramming again. Ooh, they act like my mother. All right, y'all, that's all from me. Hope you like my video. Sorry for me ranting and raving, but just please comment nicely below. Because if you don't, I'm gonna block you anyway. I'm gonna block you, I'm gonna erase your shit, and then I'm gonna block you, and then you won't be commenting anymore. And I am the type that, like, if I'm that day, I might come for you. I don't know. I am from North Philly, so never forget that. Let's see you guys. Thanks for watching.